Hello everyone, welcome to part 36 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, we will start working on the search profile or partner feature. Okay, so means uh, this feature can help the members to search the profile of other members for dating and friendship. So in this search form, we are going to add gender, age, and location. Okay, so let's start working from the beginning. And okay, this time we will do from the beginning. Means we will first run XAMPP. Okay, so first of all, open the folder where you run the XAMPP. My XAMPP installed in F drive, and I'm going to run the XAMPP first. Okay, step by step, we will do all these steps and we'll start working on this thing. And now I'm going to start my Apache and my SQL. Okay, so yeah, it will take just few minutes, then we are ready to start the project. Okay, uh, and okay, that's fine. And now I will come to the Laravel folder, and here is my dating 5.7. I am going to do here git bash, and I install that git bash and php artisan serve. Okay, so this command I just run, and in few minutes it will run. Then it is going to display on Chrome. Okay, so here I am using this Chrome browser, so it will take few minutes. Then we are going to see both Chrome browser and command will run in few minutes. Just wait for few minutes, then we will see. Yeah, browser is running now. We can see localhost my admin, and also we are going to open that folder. That is fine. And Sublime also we can open in the meantime. Sublime test 3, and I can also open that. My system is a bit slow, so sorry for that. And this is the earliest files. I'm going to all the files, and I'm going to run this dating 5.7 project. I can do like this, and I will start here. Okay, so these all are, I'm going to remove all other sublimes, and this one dating 5.7. Okay, and yeah, now it's fine. And here, okay, I am going to do once again. Now it will come, because earlier on it has taken time in the beginning, and but now it will run fine. Okay, you can see we able to run the project and see my admin as well. Okay. Whew. um, and now yeah. Okay, so now you can see that this part we are going to update in this video partner search, and we are going to replace all this kind of stuff, and we are going to add our own stuff. We will add uh, gender. Okay, gender we will add male and female. Okay, and after gender we are going to add the age. Okay, not we are not going to add, yeah, we are going to add city as means country as well, location also we are going to add. So three things we are going to add in search form in the beginning, and formatting of the search form we are going to correct. Okay, and other things as well we are going to see. So let's start working on this thing. We will update front sidebar and front sidebar and CSS file. You can just simply press F12 and can inspect here, means which CSS we using, and you can see layout.css we are using. So I am going to open layout.css as well, as we need to update on both the files uh, at the same time. Okay, So front sidebar and layout.css we need to update. And in partner search, like I'm saying that we are going to display. Okay, I'm going to follow one website for it that I have created long time earlier. Here in dating, I have done this thing. Okay, you can follow another website as well, and this is a kind of form that I am looking to make. Looking for it, male and female will come, and of age 16 to 35, this thing will come. And religion I am not going to add, but location I will add and will give all the countries here, and then search. Okay, so the such kind of thing I am going to do here as well. That looks really means cool search. Okay, so simple searching you can say. And now starting from here, I'm going to first create some of the HTML, and in here I am going to create, and here I will write looking for. Okay, looking for, and here class is gender, that is fine, and we will also put its name as gender. Okay, and here option, one more option we are going to add here. Sorry for that. Yeah. So remove this one, not required. And here we can do Control Shift T, and here I'm going to add female. Okay, so this one, and these things are not required. Another label is not required, so we can remove this label. And now see looking for female, male. Okay, so after this we will add age as well, age, and we will add age in the similar way like I have shown you here, of age 16 to 35. Such kind of age we are going to add. Okay, so I am going to write here of age. Okay, of age, like this. Okay, so here I am going to do means option. I'm going to add it like from 16 years. Later on we are going to update, but right now I will do like this. And we require one more select here. Okay, so I just copy and will paste here, and do like this to 32 years, like this. Okay, so continue with other things, and here I will do location in the similar way like I have done here. I'm going to copy this one. See, all we can do like this, and one more I will add like this, and here I will add location can be anywhere. Okay, or can be India or any other country. Okay, so here I'm going to add country, or we can say location, anything you can say. And here I'm going to add anywhere, or we can say India. Okay, so these are few of the things that we want to show insert, and rest of the things we can remove right now, but later on we will see that if we can add other further option. Okay, now I am going to refresh this one, and you can see your form is little bit ready, but not that much attractive. I'm going to make it look better. Okay, so here starting from the first field, you can see you can update these CSS in layout.css file. Okay, so you can make changes here as well, and that will so that it will clear to you. Like width, here width is less, you can add the width here, little bit of width, so that it is visible. So you can do like this. This width is fine, or you can make it less, like this width is fine. And here as well you can add another thing, like uh, you can add its margin top, like margin top kind of thing. Later on we are going to add in file as well. I will check with this one. No, I will check with 10 pixel like this. Okay, then 5 pixel like this. Okay, now it seems to be perfect. Looking for female. Okay, so such CSS you can copy to layout.css as well. You can simply copy this thing here. Okay, you can copy, yeah, this thing and copy here, or Control C, and you are going to search here. Okay, this is the way you can update the CSS. Okay, you can check 75 pixel you have done here, and it seems to be fine here. So you can just copy the 75 pixel and you can just paste it here. Okay, so in the similar way you can add the margin top as well, and here you can add the margin top, and you can see the changes here as well. Okay, so after finishing this one, you can move to of age, and you can update the age as well. Okay, uh, means that this is common for it, but you can create the separate CSS as well, and you can see other CSS from control uh, label, from controller label. We can also update, and uh, here it's now 60 pixel, and I'm going to check here the width. It will not make any difference. Okay, no issue. Mm, yeah, this thing. Okay, this thing. Uh, if can be reduced like this, okay, then it will come fine. Uh, yeah, now it comes fine like this. Okay, so we can display this like, yeah, we can make it similar to that so that it will look fine. Okay, so to show complete, we can do like this. Okay, so here we can fix it with form controller select date. Okay, and this one we are going to copy this one, and here we are going to make it width into pixel, and margin top 5 pixel like we have done that, and here also we can do the same. Now you can see, now it seems to be better than earlier one. Now looking for uh, female or male of age from 16 to 32 years, and location is the country list will come here. Okay, so it looks better than the last one, and you can make it more, means more formatting you can do as per your choice. Okay, so you can do like this also. I'm not so good in CSS, I'm not so good in design, so but that you can update at your end. uh, okay, what if I will do that text align kind of thing to write? You can just experiment with. No, it is not making any difference. Okay, leave. I think it's fine for the timing, and uh, means we can continue with other things. Okay, now we need to fill up uh, these fields like age. We want to fill up. We want to show the age from 16 to, means 16 to 99. You can show, but here we are showing from 16 years by default, and here as well we will show drop down from 16 to 99 years, but we will show 32 years by default. Okay, so in location as well we will show all the countries. So for showing all the countries, we need to add the country model. Country model is already, you can see that we are already having the country model, and you can just call those countries here as well. Okay, so uh, as far as the countries are concerned, you can just get the add the model here in the beginning. You can just simply call the country model here, like country. Okay, so after calling the country model, you just need to add the for for each loop here. Okay, so that we can means get all the countries and will show here. Okay, first we are going to get all the countries, and simply you will add the query like get countries. Okay, and here country you already know that we have added the model at the top, and by adding this one we can get all the countries here in this get countries object string. Okay, so here after getting the countries, and then you can here add here we can add with for each. Okay, so here you can see the uh, get countries like this, get countries and as dollar country. Okay, so here we're going to add like this, and here we're going to add and for each. Okay, so here uh, here we will add that country name dollar country, and you can see you can open these countries here in your database. You can check the countries here, countries exist, and you can see the column name here, see name is given here. So we can simply give it like this. Okay, check once if all the countries are coming fine or not, and can check here all the countries are coming fine, you can see. Okay, so by default we need to select India, or you can select any of your country. Okay, so it's your choice. If you want to select some country, uh, then you can just add it, first add its value here, and when, and if you want to select India, then you can do like this, simple enough. You can here add if, okay, this 3 equal to India, then you can simply select. Okay, so India is automatically selected as we have added the condition. Okay, but you can give here select country as well. You can give here anywhere as well by default. It's your choice. If you want to give here anywhere, then you can simply select means this one like this, and you can select selected. Okay, then you can simply remove this one, then anywhere will come. Okay, it's up to your choice that what you want to do. You want to give to anywhere, you want to give to India. Okay, so I have been India, and it's your wish. And so this field is fine, and now this field is left that we need to uh, means we need to add some logic behind this. We need to add some count, and we need to add some loop, like we can add while loop, and we can here for we can take it like min age and max age, and in this min age means we can take like min count like 16, and in while loop we can do like this, that if min count is less than 99, then we are going to means increment its value by 1, means from 16 years, from 17 years, from 18 years, so on. All the means list will come up till 99 years, and same thing we will do with this. We can name it like max age. Okay, so let's do it. And so here we can do from 16 years, we can use here we can take the name as lineage, and here we will take the name as message. Okay, okay, So here in main age we can add the loop condition and loop we can add here. Okay, so we will add here like PHP. We will start here. Sorry, like this, and here like we will start main count 16, and here we will start by loop dollar main count less than 99. Okay, and option will come, and after that to do like main count equal to dollar main count plus 1, like this. Okay, here and and here value we're going to add this dollar main count like this, and this one we can copy and paste here. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and we will check here that if means all the not from like from 16 fine, from 90 from 98 years it comes, you can make it like less than or equal to 99. Okay, it's your wish, you can give up to 50 60 as well. Okay, so we have given the right up to 99 years person can live his life and can enjoy the age, enjoy the dating feature, but after that we have not given. Okay, so from 16 years it is by default selecting from 16, and here as well we will do the same thing. Okay, so you can simply repeat this thing here as well. Okay, here as well you can repeat this thing, and means this thing as well. Here as well you can repeat means this one in similar way. Okay, like this, but here we are going to make it max count like this, and here uh, we have 1599, and only difference is here we will show 32 by default. Okay, not 16, but we will show here 32 by default. So here we will add the condition. Okay, uh, like set of if that max count equal to 32. Okay, then only we are going to select it like this, and here we can add this. Okay, so now we can check once again. Okay, from 16 it's fine, and here as well to 15 to 99 years. Okay, and but by default it is selecting to 32 years. Okay, so now it is coming like from 16 years to 32 years in this field. Okay, so here as well we can set mean age, next it, that is fine, and here now everything seems to be perfect, and uh, form is ready. So in next video we are going to create that search result page in which we can show the profiles like this. We will show all the profiles in that page. Like we will make one empty page of search results. Whatever user is going to search from here, all the profiles will display there in view page. Okay, that's all we will do in our next video. I hope everything is clear up till now and you able to means make this search form at your end as well. Okay, so that's all for now, and more we will do in next video. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.